If you find yourself with a camera in your hand and want to learn how to use it, please subscribe to this channel, like the videos, comment below. Hey Photos family, bear with me today because we're going to be taking a little bit of a journey through a hole, and I don't want it to be dark, but I'm making some puns. I'm trying to make it light. We're talking about the abyss, the death of our superhero, well, our hero's death in the hero's journey. As we relate the storytelling picture overall to photography, the part of the story where the hero is going through his most troubling part, the thing that we don't know if the hero is going to last through this story, if they're going to die and this would be the end of the movie, or what miraculous thing happens and they come through the abyss. Now, the aspect of the hero's journey is that there has to be some death of the superhero through the abyss to come out in a transformation at the end. So there's no clear picture in my head right now to be able to draw out this picture to you. But the perhaps the biggest illustration that almost everybody knows of or has seen pictures of, I would imagine, Star Wars. Anakin has been trained by the Jedi, specifically Obi-Wan Kenobi. He is brought to different stages in testing, and he's still a learner, right? But he is pushing boundaries. He's having challenges, and he's succumbing to and coming up against temptations. And it's in one of the episodes where he's challenging his Jedi Master and begins to fight the Jedi Master because he doesn't believe, Jedi Master Obi-Wan Kenobi, because he doesn't believe that Obi-Wan's being honest, forthright, upfront with him. So in that scene, I suggest the death of Anakin is that scene, because it's after that scene that Anakin, though alive, still comes out of that area, but he's no longer called Anakin. He's given medical aid. He's had someone intervene on his behalf and help him to heal and to have some quality of life, whatever that may be. His lungs are burned from the sulfur air from the lava pits in that scene. He's badly burned. He's lost some limbs, and so he's given some prosthetic limbs. You see the death of the hero here. Some people would say it was the death of a hero and the birth of a villain. There are a lot of ways to take Lucas's writing of the story. Some people will say that Darth Vader is a hero. So it's the death of a hero, it's the rebirth of a hero, if you want to look at it that way. You know, some people take a what they believe a more traditional view, and it's the death of a hero and it's the birth of a villain. It's still the same process that we've been talking about in the Revelation. We talked about the rebirth. In the Abyss section here, we're talking about the death. So it was the death of Anakin. It was the rebirth of, what was his name again? Darth Vader. The Abyss. I mean, that was a dramatic picture, wasn't it? Lucas took some very, perhaps obvious, but overt pictures to the abyss. There was some light because of the lava flow. There was a lot of heat, and the gaseous air around it was overpowering almost. I mean, you couldn't necessarily smell it, but you kept seeing these clouds just pass by in the production of those scenes. That, I mean, so Anakin didn't die, but, you know, really and truly, the storyline doesn't speak of Anakin much anymore. They speak of Darth Vader. So the death is pictorially and theoretically there, the rebirth is of Darth Vader. I hope that wasn't a spoiler for anybody. Again, these movies are fairly old in time from when I'm creating this one to upload to YouTube. That idea of an abyss, if we are going to create that feel, that message in a photograph, how do we create that? Is it an extreme danger? Do we create that in showing what caused the death of the hero in our photograph? Are we allowing the death to overshadow our subject, the hero, or are we giving allusion to the fact that the hero has not yet died? So maybe the instrument of death does not overshadow our subject, but maybe still looms on the edges of the frame. There's a lot of ways to communicate the danger of the abyss, and I'm interested to see what you think you want to do in your photographs, or how you communicate this as you craft the story of your subject, the hero, and their journey. Let me know in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up, and if you're not yet a subscriber to our channel, we would love to have you as part of our Photos family. Just click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much. God bless.